Just take it easy, alright? Take it.
Would you make me a cup? And I need you guys to act fast if you want to get out of this.
Welcome to a new video, guys. We've got an empty space now. The tow rack is fixed and now we want to make more space in the unit and then be stripping the FN2 tyre apart. You've always said the best thing to do is just break it anyway. The time is important because we want to get that K20 inside the EK Civic as soon as possible. Let's get straight to it. If somebody wants to buy this FN2 type part engine, it's mechanically sound. If you guys want any FN2 parts, lights, rear boot lid, seat, interior, alloy rims, anything you want, let me know. Let's get the interior out. Oh yes! That one's not as rusty as the other one. Nah, the other one. Right about now, everything is gone. I'd say we've got about 60 to 80 kgs. You can hear an echo. Hello! We're gonna take it to Clapton Salvage so we can get the engine and gearbox out. Let's enjoy the POV drive. This comes to show that weight reducing a car does make a huge difference. So, do that again. Well, that was mad. Whew. Wait, this car is doing its business. Oh man. This weight reduction FN2 Type R, stock from the factory, running 200 brake. That's the difference from taking 100 kg, 80 kg, you'd say. Car just smooth, grips, a lot better, a lot faster 0 to 60. I feel it. Before we take the FN2 to get the engine gearbox out, we're gonna get the A6 in the trailer for the charity event for next Sunday, 11 a.m. till 5 p.m. Come down. It's probably the last Sunday for you guys. Come down, charity, get your car washed. Money goes to Turkey Earthquake Appeal for Umar Welfare Trust. 100% donation. Trailer to the A6 and drive that, follow the FN2, and let's get to work.
So this car's never let you down, man. I've let it down. We have made it.
Right, 10-11 a.m. and look at it off the road. So how's it anyway?
Dashboards.
So it's cooking right now. Complete engine's gone. Shaft, my bro. This is your car. You're obviously going to get the rims off it, the boot lid, lights, bumpers, the whole lot. This is all in one setting in about 4 hours. Load up on the trailer, take it back to the HQ. Actually, let's see. It's nice time to head back to the HQ. Right, so we're back with the HQ now. Gosh, so much more space in here now. So we had to make that sacrifice because now we can get to work with this K20, whacking it in that Civic ready for in the summer. And a lot of you asked about the Skyline. It's still here. I know it's a bit dirty, this needs a wash, need a clean. There is an issue with the car though, not serious, it's just a coolant leak. Apart from that, the car's ready to go on the road. So, and then hopefully we can get the saw around the road. We need to fill this up for the next day so we do a charity car wash. And just like that, the water container is full, ready for tomorrow. Fill up the water to the max. That is 1,000 litre right now. The Touareg hasn't been fixed yet. We changed it in the number 2 injector. It started, it worked for a minute, but then the next 24 hours it didn't start at all. So we might have to do some more tests. So it is the A6 again. The car is pretty like squatting right now. Alright, alright, alright. To end this video, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Look after your family, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys next video. Farewell, dear Hoodstigs.